Okay, hello Mr. Chooks. Greetings of the day to you. How is family and business? Okay, so here is your new smart wireless game control. Okay, the interface is similar to the one you have already. Maybe except for this red indicator, which represents mains availability. So right now, mains is available, and you can see the indicator is on. So let's take it that NEPA goes. Okay, so the system enters into Wi-Fi mode or startup mode immediately, and then the gen start signal has been sent to the generator. Okay, so now if NEPA comes back, okay, there is a short delay, a few seconds, and then the system stops the generator. Okay, so as you can see, this is a feature that makes it respond to availability of mains or otherwise. Okay, now let's take it that NEPA is gone. Okay, NEPA is gone. You can turn off your system and then control as you desire from here. That's off, on, off, on. You can as well bypass completely. You can turn it to bypass so that the system runs on the command of the ATS directly, as in it will just be like this thing does not exist on your network, and then the complete control of your generator is given over to the ATS in bypass wired mode. Okay, the other mode is the Wi-Fi or RF mode, through which you can control your generator wirelessly. Okay, so that is that. Now on this side I have the remote control with two buttons. You can actually configure each of the buttons separately. You can configure one button to act as off and on, or you can configure one button to act as on and then the other one as off. In this case, I've configured A as on and B as off. So the system is on right now. I want to turn it off with B. It's off. Then turn back on with A. Okay, turn off with B. Okay, so our remote is working fine. So the next thing we want to do is to also control with our app. Okay, here's the app. Okay, now on my app I can control with this small green button on the side. Okay, or if I punch the name directly, it becomes a bigger button. Okay, all right, so the next thing we want to do right now is to control it through another means. Okay Google, start my Gen 1.
Got it. Turning the Gen 1 on.
Okay Google, turn off Gen 1.
Alright, turning off the Gen 1.
Okay Google, turn on Gen 1.
Alright, turning on the Gen 1.
I can as well control from this button on Google Assistant. Okay, and at the same time, up here you have the notification through which you can see a log of the activities, as you turn on and turn off. Okay, all right, so you have that. You can as well as access it from the home screen. Sorry, I can see the display is flickering, mobile to mobile, as in I'm using a mobile phone to record, and I can see the display is flickering, but I'm sure you can still get the necessary details on the screen. So now I want to take a look at the log. You can see here on this small icon with the red dot, you can take a look at the complete log of activities. Today is 23rd. You can see the date written on top, 23rd December. Notify went on, notify went off, you know, and then you can take a closer look at some of the details. Okay, so basically this is the system, which is better than what you had before. Okay, Google, turn off Gen 1.
Okay, turning off the Gen 1.
All right, so that will be all for now.